The first part of the human digestive system, also known as the alimentary canal, is the mouth. The mouth contains of the teeth for chewing the food, the tongue for swallowing and tasting the food, the salivary glands for making the food moist and also turning starch into maltose sugar. After swallowing the food goes into the esophagus, also known as the food pipe. The relaxation or contraction of walls in the esophagus is called peristaltic movement, which pushes food into the stomach. The stomach has the gastric glands, which secrete gastric juice. The components of gastric juice are HCl, pepsin, and gastric lipase. HCl kills microorganisms which enter the body with the food and also makes the food acidic for the activation of enzyme pepsin. The pepsin converts protein into peptides, and gastric lipase helps with the digestion of fat. The stomach also contains of the mucus for protecting it from the HCl. After the stomach, the food enters the duodenum. The food enters the duodenum. The duodenum receives secretion from two glands, the liver and pancreas. The liver secretes bile juice, which helps with digestion and is stored in the gallbladder. The pancreas has alpha, beta, and delta cells and secretes pancreatic juice. The components of pancreatic juice are pancreatic lipase, trypsin, and pancreatic amylase. Pancreatic lipase converts carbohydrates into glucose. Trypsin converts protein into amino acids, and pancreatic amylase converts fats into fatty acids into glycol. After the stomach, the food goes into the small intestine, which is also the site of complete digestion. The digestive food moves up to the walls of the small intestine. The inner lining of the walls of the small intestine has numerous finger-like structures called villi. Villi increases the surface area for absorption and is richly supplied with blood vessels, which send the absorbed food to each and every cell of the body. The unabsorbed food goes into the large intestine. The walls of the large intestine absorb more water from the material, and the unabsorbed material is gotten rid of via anus. Thank you.